What's up guys, Dragos here with my first unboxing video. Today we're going to be opening the Scimitar box from Alpha Outpost. Alright, let's see what we have here. First thing that you see here is a small brochure of what comes in the box. Alright. So there's a patch in here. It does come with the Velcro piece, even the part that you can sew on. And no mercy for thy enemies. That will be going on my plate carrier. Next thing we see here is 2 daggers. It comes with a protector for the tip. And actually you could see some of the oil that they've used to keep it from rusting. It's got a pretty nice black coating. So it doesn't seem that sharp, mainly because the edges don't fall off smoothly, since that's not what this is meant for. Actually, these feel really comfortable here. Yeah, it feels like you can put quite a bit of pressure on this and your hands won't slide onto the blade. The sheath is some sort of a nylon, and it's made for it to go on a wide belt. And it comes with 2 of them, exactly the same thing. Yeah, they're pretty thin blades. They're not that thick of blades. Alright, what else comes in here? This is the Bayonet belt clip. It seems very pretty heavy duty. Yeah, I mean it's like it's stamped steel, but still it seems simple yet functional. Alright, so I'll clear this off. Here's the bayonet. The sheath seems pretty heavy duty. I mean it's pretty wide. I'm guessing the reason it is heavy duty because in order for you to use it as a wire cutter for fences or just cutting wire, it has to be pretty heavy duty, so when you use it as a wire cutter, it won't flex. Here's the snap for this. Also is coated in some sort of a grease. You can see it. Let's see if you can see it there, depending on the lighting that hits it. The handle part is plastic, and the bayonet attachment part seems like it's on there with it's got 2 roll pins and an Allen bolt holding it on. Yeah, it's got a coating that, I mean, it really doesn't even look like it's coated, but it is coated. So the way you attach this onto an AR-15, if you have the bayonet lug on the bottom, is you just slide it down the barrel. The barrel goes through here, and this clicks into the bayonet lug. The handle is pretty nice, doesn't feel like it would slip out of your hand. Alright, so how this works is this just clips in. This goes around the handle. And you can either slip the belt through these loops, or you can just, it's the easiest to take it one at a time. Put this over your belt, and on the other side just clip it in. Of course, you could have this on your belt all the time, and you just take this off. When you go to put this on, you just clip it in. Then you don't have to mess with the belt clip after that. So the way you use this as a wire cutter is, so this part right here is what's used as the wire cutter. Just think of this as the part of a scissor, and this right here as the other part of the scissor. So the wire goes in there, and you would cut it like that. So wire goes through there, wire goes through there, wire goes through here, and just like a scissor, you would cut it like that. And that's why this handle is made pretty heavy duty, because you don't want it to flex while it's doing that. So this is everything that comes in the box. It's actually they're pretty nice. Alright guys, so that was a Scimitar box from Alpha Outpost. Let me know what you guys think. This was my first unboxing video, so if you guys have suggestions, post them in the comments below, and let me know what you guys think, how I can improve, the things I can change, maybe the different camera angles, etc. So thanks again guys for watching, and I'm looking forward to reading the comments below.